Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I will be showing you guys the app that I used to create my coloring book pages. It is called Colorscape. They do have a free version, but I think I paid like $2 for it. It's not monthly. So let's go to Colorscape. Don't quote me on that, what I paid, because I'm not even sure. But we're going to go ahead and add a photo from photo album. We're going to take Ken's butt right here. And you see it changes it into a black and white image. And you can go ahead and change the lines up. So add more details. Just play till you get it to how you want it to be. I don't want all the details in there. And then you click done. You can go and color it in. You can just save it. Send it to your computer, or if you're using PixArt to design your coloring book, and now you have your coloring page. You can do that with so many different pictures. As you guys see, I do most of my customer pictures like that. Clip art. Again, this app is called Colorscape. I'm not sure if it's on Android, but this is an iPhone, so check out your app store, and thank you for watching.
I said, don't stop talking.